Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we are installing a Corsa exhaust on our Rubicon JLU. Yeah, this is gonna be cool. This is an axle back exhaust system. Look at that. Would you just look at that?
Is it gonna be loud?
It's gonna be a little bit more louder than stock. But unfortunately, every time I shoot a Corsa video, it's raining outside. The sound review, it's raining. But it won't be raining when I do this one.
So you already have a sound clip of that?
I have a sound clip of the stock, yeah.
The welds
Look
are
at those
nice.
welds.
I just
What do you think of those welds?
Pretty nice.
would you just look at that?
Would you just look at that hanger? Look at that.
Would you just look at that?
Just look at
They
it.
look like my welds.
Hey, let's pull this out. Let's see what else is.
All right, thanks, Joey. Thanks for.
Come on. Oh, we got clamps, Corsa style clamps. Okay, we got tips.
Oh yeah, you're right. I was thinking it'd be like a.
This is like the off-road version of their exhaust system for the 2018 and up Wrangler JLs. So basically, it doesn't say off-road?
It probably does say off.
It probably does, but so this is for the 2018 and up, and actually what it does is you don't have any protruding tailpipes, which is awesome for me because, well, I thought for sure, like if I was gonna have any type of tailpipes right here, I would destroy them wheeling. So they're actually gonna, well, we'll show you, but they're
You
gonna
might
dump.
still destroy 'em.
Yeah, you're probably, but it's gonna sound good while I'm doing it, right?
Hopefully.
It will, it's Corsa. It's all the faith and confidence in Corsa performance. And the JP shop is officially a Corsa dealer and installer. So if you want to get your Jeep hooked up with a Corsa exhaust system or your truck, these guys can do it for you. You can get it through them and they will install it. Step one.
Yeah.
It's a little rusty.
It's a little dirty.
Yeah. Yeah, you got two hangers, guys. You got
So
one
we're gonna
there.
unbolt it instead of trying to play with the rubber and all that. It's easier to unbolt it and bring the exhaust down.
Is that SpaghettiOs?
It's chicken parm.
Is that a lean queen?
Lean what?
That's what I was trying to. Yeah, one of those.
Lean cuisine it. Oh, I can. I can and I will.
Just blur it.
I can't
Not
put it-
sponsored.
Oh, definitely not sponsored. But if
If you want to sponsor,
yeah, if you
us,
want to sponsor us, we'll appreciate that.
we'll eat it.
Yeah, I haven't had one of those in years. Don't eat frozen food.
I just don't eat lean. I eat all the fatty food.
Use a 13 millimeter to remove those bolts for the hangers.
And the clamp is a 15.
Gotcha. That one right there is 15 mil, guys.
That's what I
I got a cotton fan.
Oh, of what?
There's one bolt, two bolts, and now they're unbolted. Even look up, it ain't going nowhere. Almost there. And we're out.
There you go.
See what I was saying? Like it's easier to just unbolt them.
Yeah.
There's not much room up there, and I have a fancy tool for those.
Man, look at that pipe. It's silly looking. A little restrictive right there, maybe? Just a tad?
Really?
Another tip is spraying some brake cleaner in there to put them back on.
Brake cleaner? You mean grease?
Yeah, brake cleaner. It dries
No.
up and then it makes it all snug again.
Yeah, but if you use grease, it'll stay there and it won't ever squeak.
Oh, okay. All right. Touche. Look at that tool.
I'm gonna use that Amsoil grease.
Yeah, the Amsoil grease.
There you go.
bsynthetics.com. If you guys purchase your Amsoil from bsynthetics.com, it helps support the channel. So we can continue to bring you content like this. But this new Corsa system that we're installing, no more restrictive piping. And much smaller. We should put these guys next to each other to compare. I'd say it's a little bit smaller and less restrictive. For sure, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. We're gonna put the new pipe on, which is not restrictive.
I just leave it like that. I dump it right
No, we're not gonna do that.
Well, you at least need to turn down.
there. Yeah.
think that's all the way. No. Yeah, that's all the way.
All right.
Holy cow. Slide that there.
Use some grease to slide the muffler hangers back on
Yeah.
the exhaust in the new muffler, and then we're gonna put it back up in there, and then we're gonna tighten those bad boys back down. We're gonna bolt them in. Make sure you put that exhaust clamp on first.
There we go. Keep holding it there. Shit in the middle. There we go.
Got it.
Yeah. Alright. And I'll take the gun. I mean, the impact driver.
Tracy's just gonna tighten those stock exhaust hangers with the factory bolts, the 15 mils. We're almost there. It's that simple.
Oh, what, you did it all without me?
Yep.
Man.
It looks good. It actually sits up higher now.
Nice and tucked up in there.
Yeah. Tucks up there very nicely. What do you think, guys? I think it's less likely to get smashed.
I think you're still gonna smash it.
I'll stop it.
Like that bumper? Yeah, factory one?
That factory one's massive and sat down a lot lower.
Still smashed.
You see this thing, Keith? Look how restrictive that pipe is.
Yeah.
That thing's crazy.
I thought it looked like a leech. Doesn't it?
Yeah, I never had a leech.
You've never, what? No. You've never gone fishing with leeches?
Nah, I never had a leech actually get to me, but I've been places where there's a leech, and I didn't get bit.
Oh,
Do you know how many brains leeches have? How many brains?
I have no idea.
32.
Why?
I don't know.
What do they do with all that knowledge, all that brain?
I don't know.
we went fishing. We used to
What's up, Gabe?
Really?
Yeah.
Tracy's gonna use a 15 mil, tighten up that clamp. 15 mil. So we're sort of angling the tips a little bit with the hash going down and this way, if that makes any sense. Angled away from the tire. But I like it. Doing the driver's side now. To go over all the clamps, make sure they're all tight, and then
Just
well,
don't break them.
yeah, don't break them. And then let's talk about this exhaust. This system's constructed from premium stainless steel to deliver long-lasting performance, sound, and appearance. It is an easy bolt-on installation, as you guys saw. No welding is needed. All hardware and detailed instructions are included with each kit, and you saw our video, so we gave you some tips with that. With the DB systems, they basically have a straight-through design that is engineered to provide maximum flow and minimum restriction. Every system is engineered specifically to each vehicle's specifications. Like Corsa always does with all their exhaust systems, they are designed specifically for that vehicle. This system that we installed today is their 2.5-inch dual rear exit with turn-down tips. This is the sport sound level. It offers high performance sound, as always with Corsa, a distinct rumble at idle, which is noticeable, aggressive sound through the gears. Yup, it's definitely different from stock, no doubt there, guys. And no drone while cruising, as always with Corsa's exhaust systems. They also offer a touring sound level, which is not as aggressive. When it's down, you're not even gonna see it. It's gonna be tucked up nicely behind that bumper, and those side exits go right out on the other side of the frame. You don't even see it. It looks perfect. No,
Big
we're not.
8-inch.
We're not putting diesel tips on this. No.
Are you sure we have like a 2.5 inch to like 8 inch?
No. Oh yeah, it definitely sounds different. little bit of the no drone, the Corsa no drone technology with all their exhaust systems. We're on the highway, and I have to do a gear swap on this thing. I got 410s now. We're rolling on 37, so I'm never seeing 8th gear in this Jeep. I sometimes hit 7th, so it's going to be screaming a little bit, guys, but we'll get that resolved here shortly. But here we are, we're cruising. We're at a very nice clip, and we just shifted into 7th right there. Amazingly, doesn't normally happen. We'll probably downshift here shortly. There we go, downshifted. We downshifted all the way to 5th. Not bad at all. No drone, that's for sure, guys. Well, there you have it, guys. Corsa axle back exhaust is installed. You know, I'm gonna be honest with you. I didn't know how I was gonna feel about these dumps right here, but you don't even see the damn thing. You really don't. You only see like a little bit of the tip with the LOD bumper there. So you got one sticking out there, and then you have to come all the way around, and you have to really get down and look, there it is. So I don't mind it. There is a noticeable difference between stock and the sport sounds. So if you're not really into having that much of a difference, but you want to have the less restrictive exhaust system, I would say opt for their touring. They have a touring series that you can get. And if you're never taking your Jeep off-road, or you don't do what I do to my Jeep, get the dual rear X's, 3.5-inch rolled tips that come out right underneath the bumper. I think that would look sharp. I can actually add those in later, because all it is a 90, and then you got a little, you got your tailpipe, so, and then your tip goes onto that. So it's really not much. I can add that in at a later date. Maybe I will for some shows, but wheeling, I would totally destroy those exhaust tips underneath the bumper. Totally destroy those bad boys. But very happy with the system overall. And again, as always, if you guys are interested in getting this system for your Jeep, if you don't want to install it, you can bring it here. The JP Shop's a certified Corsa installer. They're also a dealer, and it's on their website, thejpshop.net. You can order this online and get it shipped to your house, and you can put it in. It's very easy to put in, guys. Very simple. You can actually do it with the Jeep on the ground. You don't need a lift. We just use the lift for, you know, video purposes. You could do this at home. Simple bolt-on installation. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you found it informative. If you're stopped by for the first time, make sure you smash, tap, do something to that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on all those notifications. Make sure you're checking out allbeastprocess.com. All good information on there. Our merch is on there. beastsynthetics.com. That's the AMSOIL. We're AMSOIL dealer. All that stuff helps the channel. When you purchase merch, when you sign up as a preferred customer through Beast Synthetics, when you buy parts or come to the JP shop, all that stuff helps support the channel so I can continue to make content. And let us know if you want to see something with a Jeep, truck, Duramax. So maybe we'll get Keith's truck in the videos some more. Let us know what you want to see. We'll make an effort to do it. Sometimes schedules don't work, but we'll make a conscious effort to do it. Anyway, enough jibber jabber. We love you guys. We'll see you on the next upload.